We had installed the pre-requirements for installing SQL 2008. Now go to the SQL folder, start with the setup. This will load the SQL Server 2008 into your machine. Here you will be having different options: planning, installation, maintenance, tools, and other things. Go to the menu installation and you select new installation or add features to an existing installation. This can be used for adding additional options to already installed SQL as well as for fresh installation. Select this. SQL Server 2008 R2 setup is on. This will check the minimum requirements. You check whether all these options are right. Minimum operating system is passed, setup is passed, restart is done, Windows management, consistency, long path names, and SQL, all those are done. And if anything's missing, this will show you a yellow mark or warning depending on the status. Accordingly you need to correct it. Now press OK. Then the system will go for the next operation, completing this prerequisite test operation. You go with default product key, press next, accept the license terms, next. Here you can, the following components are required, so just install. This will install the components required for this setup installation. This is different from what we have installed earlier, that is the framework and other requirements, operating system fixes. This loads up the setup files into the machine's operating memory. As a general information, try to have a machine with minimum 1 GB of RAM and 20 GB of space, with Microsoft XP with a Service Pack 3 professional version, or Windows 7 not lower than Home Premium. Either Home Premium, Professional, Ultimate versions are supported. You can also do this on Windows Server versions 2003 onwards. Avoid Windows Home version. Select next. SQL Server feature installation, select this option, go for next. You can select all options if you need complete services. If you need, these services are required for our database operations. If you need these shared services, you can select these shared services. Simply select all. This will select all the services. Go for next. So this operation is done. These are the details, or all passed. Press next. Then you can go with the default instance. If you want to change the name, you can change the named instance, like you can change, else you can go with the default instance. Press next. This will list the existing installed instance. If any SQL Server has been installed earlier, all those instances will be listed here. Currently in our this installation machine there is no SQL Server, so it is left empty. Go to the next operation. Just check the minimum requirements. Around 6 GB is required, but around 29 GB is available. Go for next. Here the important operation, select here, select Windows Authority System, use same account for all. Select Windows Authority for system and press OK. Same will be used for all. This is the important system. Then important step, in this collation nothing there to be done. Come back, check these things, go next. The other one is add current user. This is important one. This adds the current user for SQL Server administration options. Go next, add current user. Go next. install the native mode, select this default option, then next, all, check whether all are done. All green shows that the operations are success. Press next. This is the summary of the things we have selected. Then install. That's up. We have started the installation. This may take a while and it will be completed, and let us wait for a while. Let the installation gets completed. We have successfully installed SQL Server 2008 R2 on your machine. Press close and close this button. That's all. SQL Server installation is done. And this is Rajamurthy for Maze Infotech, Coimbatore. Bye. Thank you.